We've just completed one of New Zealand's biggest ever maintenance projects, upgrading critical sections of State Highway 1 between Tīrau and Waiouru.
I think all in all, we've improved the road here.
It's a good feeling knowing that it's smooth.
At the end of the day, you just look back and see what you've done, and yeah, it's great to be on the project this size.
After condensing 4 maintenance seasons into 2, the Waiouru Accelerated Maintenance project has repaired and resealed 128.6 lane kilometres, using more than 300,000 tonnes of roading material.
The game changer has really been able to have block closures on the roads. That's really helping us achieve far more in a shorter period of time.
The impressive thing is everyone's accepted the challenge. We've actually exceeded a lot of the production rates in some areas.
It's been hard yakka, some long hours, some big days, but I think we can leave here and say that we've added to it, that's for sure.
470,000 road crew hours across 35 contracting firms have delivered a safer and more resilient road for the central North Island.
There'll be a considerable difference for the road user driving through.
A far improved level of service and a really improved ride quality.
Yeah, just enjoy the new road and drive safely.